shift into the era of the introduction of silicone gel implants, the first of which was placed by Dr. Cronin and Giroux in 1962 in Houston, Texas. And then they presented this work in a paper, and the paper was presented in Amsterdam in 1963 at a meeting. The introduction of this is really, so this is the first generation of implants. These were produced by Dow Corning, and their period of time really was from 1963 to 1972. They had a thick shell, and the gel itself was a silicone filler, and it was meant to have a more natural feel. So we've transitioned from initially paraffin injections that cause a really distinctive chronic inflammatory process leading to granuloma formation, extrusion, all these things, really disfiguring if surgery had to be performed, to a sponge. The Ivalon sponge really, for all intents and purposes, created and had problems with capsular contracture, limited ingrowth of the tissues, of the fibrous tissues. We saw that picture in the article that Dr. Peters published about that. And then now we move into the first generation of silicone implants placed by Cronin and Giroux, developed by Dow Corning. And the first generation had thick wall and thick gel. And so we'll talk as we go through generations of implants, and it changes, but the thickness ranged from 0.075 millimeters to 0.75 millimeters. And the gel consisted of a low molecular weight, either 6,000 to 38,000 Daltons, which is silicone fluid,